Welcome to Church Central Cloud. Today I'm going to be answering one of the most common questions we get on our live chat. So I'll just do a quick explanation, and this is a demo account I'm using for this illustration. So just quickly follow up with me. So in here, this is my church dashboard, and on the sidebar here, there are different features, right? So I click on the people feature, where I have the member, visitor, children, church ministry, and then I click on groups. So when you click on the groups, you see here add group. Click on the add group, and this interface pops up. So you name the group that you want to add. Is it a youth group, whatever group best that suits what you want to create. So you put it here, and then the leader of the group, you come here and assign a leader for that group. So you can also come here to, if there's a co-leader, you assign the co-leader here as well. So the capacity of the group you're looking at, is it a large group, is it a small group? So let's say we're settling for a smaller group, a group of 10. And then the frequency of the group meetings, so how often will the group be meeting? So we'll go with a weekly meeting. So and here we choose the days we want the meeting to be holding. So we're picking Thursday by 5 p.m. Thursday by 5 p.m. Right? And then yeah, so is there a description? So you put the description here. And also here too, you can, if there is a WhatsApp group already created for that particular group, you copy the link of the WhatsApp and paste it here, and then you add group, right? You click here to add your group. So let's say this is the group that we created, Esther Queen's group, right? So you see the information of the group over here. So every member that it's on this group gets to see these information. So you can see the leader of the group, which is Abimbola Itunu, and then the purpose of the group. You see it here, and also members. So let's click on the members. So the other question is how, after creating the group, how do you add members to that group? So you click on the add members. So as soon as you click on the add members, this interface appears, right? So you can see here we have different options. So there's the new announcement, meaning you can actually give your announcement here. Any announcement pertaining to the group can be, created here. And this, of course, is group event. So you can actually plan your group event. So if you're having like a picnic, having like a summit, whatever event, that the group, it's having can also be created here. So here we have the group document. So if there's any document pertaining to the group can also be created or uploaded here. So this brings us to the next question. How do we add members to the already created group? So you can see here group members. So just quickly come here where we have the add members. And then you click on this add members. As soon as you click on the add members, you have this. So you come here and then you have all the members appears. So remember, these are the members already stored in your membership database. So you choose the number of members or the particular member that you want to be in the group. So let's say we're going with this person, Grace Philip. So you just quickly add up. So you click here to add that member to the group. So that is how you create a group and add members to the group that you've already created. So I believe I've been able to explain your question, which says, how do I create a group on the platform and add member to that, group that I created? So this is the best way to go about it. And yeah, so if you have more questions, just keep the question coming, and I'll do well to get them answered. So until next time, have a lovely and beautiful day.